Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change desktop icon font color. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you gotta do is follow these simple and easy steps. Simply click on any of the surface of your screen and you will get this kind of list. There you need to simply select Personalize. Once you select Personalize, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now all you gotta do is simply select a theme to apply. So once you select the theme to apply, if you are going to use solid colors, then your fonts that are displayed will automatically be changed into something more lighter or neutral. However, if you are choosing something pastel or something more lighter, then your fonts will automatically turn into something darker and bold. So your font color will change according to your desktop theme. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.